this is very interesting micro lens. I got use different kind of binoculars or monocular to see the details of the cotton fabric. So let's try each of them to have a look. How is the performance? How you feel, guys? Maybe the image is not very sharp because the cell phone and the distance of the focus, but if you observe with your own eyes, you will see clear, sharp. So I will give you advice to purchase this accessories or micro lens for your family trip. You also can use your binoculars, monocular, and you also can use this one to discover the micro world. It must be very interesting during your family trip.